Hi Hari, today we are going to draw a calligraphy Islamic handwriting. Alright, let's start the drawing from the right side. Okay, when you draw the outlines, we always try to make the drawings as steady as possible. Okay, I'm moving for the next one. Alright, let's connect the other one. Okay, we're going to connect these 2 points here and also these 2 points here. Let's connect the points here. We're going to draw another line here. Again, we're going to draw the vertical lines, as you can see. Okay, all right. So you can see the usual representations, and we're putting the colors in the spaces in the middle to give it a solid appearance. Let's put the green color. So we are filling up it with the highlighter. Now the vertical lines looks good and the letters becomes nicely visible. There's the beauty of the calligraphy. Okay. All right. This is the drawing. It looks good. So it's a step-by-step process, the Arabic handwriting and the Islamic calligraphy. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist to select lots of drawings which I have done in different categories. Lots of drawings like you can have the sceneries, you can have fishes, flowers, houses, so many stuff, cement figures, faces, portrait, so many drawings out there. You can also start learning, selecting your own choices. And for this one, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Stay tuned with blue hand drawing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.